taste testing Cheetos, flaming hot Cheetos. Yay. I bought a packet of Cheetos yesterday. So excited. Flaming hot Cheetos. And I remember मैंने last time flaming hot Cheetos खाए थे 2014 में US में. ये Amazon पे भी मिलते हैं. And I think around 400 से 700 की रेंज में मिलते हैं. मैंने जो पैकेट खरीदा that was for 620 rupees and I was like it's okay. What is money? It's about the experience. So I paid 620 rupees for the experience. Everyone who likes kurkure, this is their NRI cousin and it rocks. And I was so excited. I had all my friends around me, so I thought, let me make them try it and I'll record their genuine reaction. So, life is fun, life is great, life is interesting, but life is also I paid 620 rupees for a packet of chips, which my mother thought was kurkure. And I almost low-key had a chappal thrown at me because I bought a packet of chips for 620 rupees. Yeah, but again, it's about the experience. So you will get to see how our experience was with trying flaming hot Cheetos. And as you know, they say that life is not a bed of roses. It is not a piece of cake, but it is worth the journey and it is worth the whatever Jesus Christ and blah shit. But my life is especially thorny because you will get to know why. Just keep watching the video. आपको पता चलेगा मेरी life especially क्यों इतनी खराब है.
This is easy.
Oh my god. Is it Sila? Oh, it's super Sila.
Review. Shit, bro.
What is it? Is it normal or is it Sila? Oh my god.
This is Sila one.
Oh my god.
मैं नहीं खा रहा भाई. नहीं अगर सीला है तो मैं क्यों खाऊंगी?
Why do you guys want to have more Sila?
पाब्लो खिलाते हैं.
This is Sila, guys. Whoever wants to buy Pablo, no.
पाब्लो छोड़ दिया.
Obviously he doesn't want it. So yeah, हमारा चीटोस का पैकेट जो मैंने by the way 620 रुपए का लिया था. बहुत लड़ने के बाद, बहुत मिन्नतें करने के बाद, बहुत बेग करने के बाद, because after a point I couldn't show any ego. I was like please take it back. 620 रुपए के चिप्स मेरे बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा. Please take it back. I am on my way to return the Cheetos. But the good news is that I'm also meeting a friend, so something good, something bad. All together, bittersweet life. Yay, good, great experiences. This is the saddest walk I will ever do in my life. Cheetos. I know, you have come to give me sympathy, na? I know. Thanks for the sympathy, Blush. Thanks for the sympathy, baby. Thank you. How sad is this? Bye, friend. Hello.
This is a part of the vlog. Why am I becoming famous? Nice, yeah. थोड़ा सा.
My friend.
I'm open to endorsements, sponsorships. कोई भी हो कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं, कपड़े पहना दो, कुछ भी करा दो, मैं तैयार
Contact
हूँ।
for sponsorships. Him, not me. I don't do sponsorships.
अच्छा कंटेंट चाहिए बस। He's milking us out.
इतना ज़्यादा नटेला स्टफिंग होता है ना नटेला का
Nutella का stuffing. What's your patty? नहीं है. Croissant. अच्छा है.
नहीं हुआ,
ये बहुत चुड़ैल है यार.
डिसअपॉइंटिंग।
As you have seen, मेरा काफ़ी कट्टा हुआ है बिकॉज पूरा पैकेट चीटोस का सीला हुआ था. बट आई फॉट फॉर माई राइट्स एंड आई गॉट इट एक्सचेंज्ड एंड आई गॉट अ bunch of stuff for that 620 rupees, so I didn't give up. But hopefully this is a message for all of you to not be as impulsive as I am and to think wisely before buying 620 rupees ka packet of chips. Do you know what's the toughest part about being a human being? इंसान ना फितरत से बहुत ढीठ होता है. Because now all that I can think about is कब वो लोग रीस्टॉक करेंगे और कब मैं दोबारा चीटोस खरीद पाऊँगी. I don't think I've learnt my lesson. I think this is very anticlimactic, but I'm definitely going to buy another packet of Cheetos. So, yay! I hope that you have learnt nothing from me because I don't think I can ever give any life lessons. But don't be impulsive, but also be super impulsive because life is too short to not buy a packet of Cheetos. But hopefully अगले वाले सीले नहीं होंगे and I will be eating another packet of Cheetos. So please pray for me कि मैं वापस जाके Flaming Hot Cheetos खा पाऊँ. Yeah, that's my only wish in life because it is all about the XP.